Hey everybody, how's it going? And thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. And I'm back. So I know I'm about 2 weeks late for another video. I've just been busy. We've been busy mowing and stuff, and so I got some new contracts, so it's been incredibly busy. But anyway, just a little update on the Demon. It's just about ready for paint, and I'm using it's House of Colors Molly Orange. This is just label that I made up and put them on my bottles. I mix my own paint up for my use, but so that'll be Molly Orange. And just got to get the hood primed. Another coat of primer on that, get it wet sanded down, ready for paint. That'll be good to go. Then I can start back on the Cobra, and I'm gonna be doing the of course, the Mars Garage Rust Bucket group build. And got a couple airbrush things to show you real quick, and giveaway. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. So I got, of course I had the Swallowtail by Barbatos Rex. And I got the fan pattern cap, which we're gonna open this up and put it on just to check it out. I'll do a review on it, demo thing too with it. Then the GHAD or GHAC 98. I got that square trigger on there, right there. Which that, man, that is very comfortable. So if you have the GHAD 39, you know, etc., you can get the square triggers on the Gaahleri website, and you can click on the link below. There's a bunch of sales going on right now on Amazon and on their website. So, and got the new air cap with slots in it. Awesome. But love these triggers. And you know, the square triggers are on the new Mobius airbrushes too, so very cool. Yeah, so let me get the Swallowtail out of the box and the fan cap opened up, and we'll put it on there and see how it looks. Okay guys, here we go. We're just gonna put the fan cap on, and you have to have the 0.5 needle in, which I already do. That's the only one that it works with. So let's see, I think, oh yeah, it does. Okay, I think you definitely have to have the nozzle in there. Let's see, that would help. There we go. Nozzle's in there. I'll just slide that on there. There we go. Yeah, it looks freaking awesome. Can't wait to try it out. Like I said, I'll do a video spraying base coat or clear or something with it, so you can see how it works. But there's the fan cap. Awesome. That's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to try that out. Okay, put that to the side. All right, so we'll do the giveaway. Is going to be sponsored by Gaahleri. a GHAD 39 airbrush. And of course, you know, I talk about this all the time. This is my workhorse airbrush. So it's got the 0.35 and the 0.5 needle. You got 2 cups, you got a 1/4 and a 1/2 ounce, the needles, and it's just awesome airbrush. I mean, it's just awesome. So it is sealed, and I'll be sending this out to the winner, which I will do a video to announce the winner for that one. I don't know, probably maybe sometime next week we'll do the announcement for that. So if you're watching this video, make sure that you're a subscriber. Please subscribe and comment, like, and I'll be doing the comment picker next week sometime. Then a couple weeks after that, we're going to do another giveaway, which will be the GHAD 68. Another one sponsored by Gaahleri. Awesome airbrush. I love mine. I use it all the time too. And this one is sealed also. So we're going to do the 39 first, comment on this video, and then we're going to do this one at a later date, probably a week or two, but this is the one for now. So make sure you get a comment in there, make sure you're a subscriber, and we'll do the winner. That's pretty much it, guys. I went to the hobby shop the other day. Haven't been there in a while because I was, you know, having issues with the heart and stuff, but saw a couple of new kits that were out. I want to get the I think it's the 32 Vicky, I think it is. I can't wait to get that. It's already had plans for that one when I saw it there, so that's gonna be cool. I'm still working on the motorcycle, the Tamiya one. Hopefully get back at that soon. Just a bunch of other projects like we all have, you know. So all right, guys, I won't keep anybody any longer. So I'll be back. Everybody take care and see you later.